Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundhati. Today's session we're doing it on the yoga mat. Of course, if you have a towel or just want to do it on the floor, no issue. So let's gently soften our gaze and close our eyes. Hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps and sit tall. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths. Big inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, big and slow. Inhale and exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. So we are going to do the cat-cow, but a little different variation to really warm up all of your joints, right? So you're going to first come into a tabletop, and the distance between your kneecaps is going to be your length of your forearm. Then place your elbows on your kneecaps. Then you're going to come up. This is the form. Then you're going to inhale. First look inside and bring your right knee inside. So start here. Then inhale, gaze up, and the leg goes out. Then again exhale in, inhale out. Yeah, so inhale, exhale, inhale, that's all right, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can see it's not as easy. Inhale and exhale. Great job. Then that neck is down, then the other one. Yeah, so first start with inwards and ready. Inhale out and exhale in, inhale and exhale. It's good for your back. Inhale, exhale, also to lose the belly fat. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, also for your neck. Inhale, last one, and exhale. So we're going to stay here and deep breathe here. Big inhale and exhale. Calm your breath. I'm sure you're feeling a little rapid heartbeat. Big inhale and exhale. So now we're going to go into a downward dog. So you're going to bring your hands a little in front. Then you're going to push your tailbone high and settle into a downward dog. Feel that nice stretch on your back, right? And your arms. It's really good to tone your arms. And this is really good to boost that energy, right? For your back pain. And anyone having depressive thoughts, this is really therapeutic. So hold the pose as long as you can and keep pushing inward as much as you can. You'll feel that extra stretch in the back, right? So hold the pose. Great. So now we're going to bring our knees to the mat. That's it. Then you're going to bring your right foot in between your palms and your left foot in between your palms. And you're going to slowly inhale, straighten all the way up, up, up. And bend backward as much as you can and exhale to the heart center. Great, you feel amazing. Hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Great, so now we're going to do Janusirsasana. So I invite you to come into a seated position. So feet together, hands together like this, right? Hands here, and think about the benefit. And you're going to bend your right knee and place it in your inner left thigh. Yeah? Then inhale, hands, sweep your hands up, pull yourself up, up, up as much as you can. Then exhale, trial all the way down. Inhale up again, up, up, up. And exhale, go all the way down and hold on to any part you want. Don't worry about the reach. And you're going to flex your toes towards you. That is important. And breathe normally while you're there. So this is really good for your digestion, for anxiety, right? And for back pain, lower back pain. While you're holding the pose, breathe normally. So now we're going to come up, inhale up, up, up. Again, all the way up, up, up. Then exhale, hands gracefully down. And then move the right foot out. And we're going to do it to the other side. Yeah? So again, sit tall. Then bend your left knee, place it in your inner thigh. Then inhale up, up, up. And trial, exhale down. When I say trial, again inhale up, up, up. And exhale all the way down and hold on to any part you want. And we're going to flex the toes. Why I say trial is because you suddenly try to reach, you can hurt your back. And please avoid trying to reach your toes. The aim is not that. The aim is for you to get the therapeutic benefit. Show compassion, right? And eventually you will get there, Great. So inhale all the way up, 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 and exhale, hands down. Then bring your left foot in front, then hands apart, feet apart, and we're going to deep breathe. Big inhale and exhale. So now we're going to do a seated spinal twist, a variation, simpler version. So you're going to inhale, raise your hands up, up, up as much as you can. Nice stretch up. Then inhale. Exhale, twist, turn to your right side. Left hand on your right knee and right hand behind you. And see how her shoulders are aligned. So turn as much as you can and fix that point behind you. It's really good for good breathing, right? And also to for a healthy digestion. So hold the pose, breathe normally. Then inhale, you're going to turn to the center. Let go of your hands to normal. Then inhale, up, up, up again. And we're going to repeat it to the other side. So exhale, turn to the opposite direction. Right hand on your left kneecap and nice turn like that. Yeah. If you have neck pain, you cannot turn that side. You can look at the center. Up to you. But it's just on your gut. Yeah. Inhale, up, up, up. Turn the center and then hands here. Then exhale. Stay here. Big inhale. And exhale. Great. I invite you to lie down in Shavasana so we can take 3 purposeful breaths in. I'm going to remain in a seating position. I'm just guiding you what Shavasana is. Just feet apart, hands apart, and close your eyes. So remain there until I tell you to come into a seated position. This is really important to really let the energy settle in. Calm your breath so you get all the positive benefits, the benefits that you were working towards from today's practice. So gently close your eyes and follow my lead. Let's take a big inhale through your nostril. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Visualize your shoulders and exhale. Great job. Gently bring your feet together, hands together, turn to your right side and come into a seated position. Let's say 5 positive affirmations. I am strong, I am kind, I am brave, I am calm, I am happy. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.